Hey guys, I'm Sam.
And I'm Christy.
And today we're going to show you how to make slime. This slime is not like silly putty, it's like actual slime where it can, get all over and stuff. Okay, so first what you're going to need, all you need is some Elmer's glue.
And today we're going to use hand soap.
And you're going to need a bowl and something to stir it with, like a straw or something. Okay, so first you're going to take some glue, and you can really put however much you want in there. So maybe about that much at the most. And you're going to take your hand soap, you're going to put a lot in there.
Like we did 6 squirts. But
okay, now you're going to take your straw, and you're just going to stir it up. And with this goo, you don't have to refrigerate it or, any of that stuff, so.
And the soap, depends on what kind of soap you use, it smells like soap.
Yeah, so you don't want a bad smelling soap and then goo that's disgusting. There you go. There's your slime.
Yay.
Here was ours from earlier today.
We used like dish soap.
Yeah, so dish soap, if you have a certain color, that is what the goo will change it to. Thanks for watching, and this is what your slime will feel like. Yeah. Alright. Bye.